Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Iherb and confirming your contact details. This unlocks rewards and referrals. Once signed in, go straight to the rewards or referral section and link any referral ID, promo code, or preferred payment that earns points. Make sure to check your reward balance and expiration dates so you know what you can spend. Do this now so your next order captures eligible credits. Don't skip verification. Unverified accounts often block reward application. You next assemble a cart optimized for rewards. Add items marked eligible and avoid excluded SKUs. Check minimum spend thresholds for coupon activation. Once items are in, apply any site coupons, then promo codes, then referral credit. Iherb applies discounts in that sequence, so order matters. Also, watch shipping thresholds. Hitting free shipping or bulk discount levels can increase the effective reward value. Make adjustments, swap similar products or change quantities, until the cart yields the best net savings and reward redemption. At checkout, select the reward balance you want to redeem and confirm the final price. You should see the deduction applied before payment. After purchase, save the order confirmation and screenshot the reward usage line. This speeds resolution if the credit vanishes. If rewards fail to apply or disappear, contact Iherb support immediately with your order ID, screenshots, and the exact reward entry. Escalate politely if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cookies or use incognito to reproduce the error before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.